look like a doll. How was it working with angry hero Rajshekhar garu?
He's not very angry in real life actually.
On screen, yeah.
On screen he is, but
So in personal life, he's a real doctor. So
he is, I know.
Yeah.
And actually I have a
So what kind of comments and reviews and feedback you have been getting on this film?
again, it's a role that's not like how I am in real life.
How is it working with Prashant Verma?
Nice, he's very serious man.
What is your take on casting couch?
I don't think anyone should have any take on it.
విక్రమ్ భట్ 1920 తో డెబ్యూ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత ఎన్నో ఫిల్మ్ ఫేర్ అవార్డ్స్ ని తీసుకొని టాలీవుడ్, బాలీవుడ్, కాలీవుడ్ అన్ని వుడ్స్ ని షేక్ చేసేసి ఇప్పుడు కల్కితో మన ముందుకు వచ్చిన అదాతో మాట్లాడేద్దాం విత్ హర్ అదా. హాయ్ అదా.
Hi.
అదా శర్మ, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Super. I'm first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Kalki is a blockbuster.
Thank you so much, thank
So
you.
what kind of feedback you're getting on this film?
Great feedback. When a movie does well, I think everyone associated with it only benefits. And people have really liked my role as Dr. Padma in the film. I try to do things I've not done before in every film that I do. So yeah, I've not played a doctor before. And people are really liking the character, liking the film. So I'm very happy.
I can't stop myself to give you a compliment. You look like a doll.
Thank you.
Perfect. So what do you like most about your character in this film, Padma?
Again, like I said, when I picked it up, it was something that I had not done before, and I think being part of this film, I thought would be a really nice thing for me. I knew it would be a well-made film. I was excited to be part of it. I wanted to work with Prashant. I think Rajshekhar sir has done so many films, has so much experience, and I thought myself lucky to be able to, work in such a big film and be part of it. So yeah.
How was it working with angry hero Rajshekhar garu?
He's not very angry in real life actually.
On screen, yeah.
On screen he is, but in real life he's actually quite funny. He has a very hilarious sarcastic sense of humor, so he keeps everyone laughing. He says things with a straight face, and he'll be like cracking these dry jokes and laugh at them with us, and it's really nice. He's done so many films and so many roles. He's played like so many characters, but he still comes, I mean, you think if someone comes with so much experience, they'd have some kind of baggage. He doesn't seem to have any baggage though. He comes every day like it's his first film with that much excitement and enthusiasm. So I think for the others on set, it's quite nice working with someone like that.
Yeah. So in personal life, he's a real doctor. So,
He is, I know.
Yeah.
And actually I have a phobia, a doctor phobia. I'm very scared of doctors.
Oh.
I had fractured my finger just before getting on Kalki and in London, and I refused to go to a hospital. We were shooting for Commando. I broke it. It got smashed between the car door. Like someone had to kick the door shut. It got smashed and it broke. It was like that. But I said I'll heal it on my own. I'm not going to doctor. And then when we were shooting for Kalki, we were shooting this surgery scene thing, and they gave me a scalpel, a real one. They said, be very careful, don't cut yourself. And I said, of course, why would I cut myself? And I cut myself.
Oh God!
Because I got a little excited during the scene, so I had to be like busily doing some surgery, and I cut myself and it just bled. So then sir said, you have to go to a doctor, and I said, I'm not going to doctors. I freak out if you tell me to go to hospitals or doctors. And then I said, I don't need to. You guys are all doctors on set only. So yeah, we had an on-call doctor. Also, I'm playing a doctor in the film, Dr. Padma, but I have a phobia with hospitals, doctors.
Okay, did this real hero, the real doctor, treat you?
Yeah, he actually got a little worried because the bleeding didn't stop. I don't know why. I think I must have lost like a liter of blood. And there was ice in Manali. We kept keeping the ice, and the ice just got like red. Then we threw it. Then so it was quite gross. But yeah, he told me. He said if it doesn't stop bleeding by evening, we'll go and get stitches. So I avoided him for half the day, and then Jeevita ma'am came, and she was also, they were really sweet. They were like, no, we should. So I said we'll wait till tomorrow, and if I if it's still bleeding, but yeah.
Okay, so what kind of comments and reviews and feedback you have been getting on this film?
Again, it's a role that's not like how I am in real life. But when Prashant told me that he wants me to play this character, he said I need her to be very silent and convey all emotions with her eyes. In real life, I think I'm more expressive with my body language, with my hands or stuff like that. So to play someone very
More animated.
I think I'm much more animated than the character. He told us that even like emotions like love and all have to be conveyed only with eyes. Because again, when you're doing a period film, to kind of distinguish between that time and now, you should have like some quality. Of course, you're styling the art and behavior, but some sort of body language thing. In the olden times, the movies especially that we've watched, movies mainly, the lead pair would never have so much physical proximity as they would nowadays. Like nowadays at school, people are kissing and hugging and doing things. It's fine because that's how people are nowadays. But in olden times movies, there wasn't so much that we used to see on screen at least. So to show that, yeah, even in this movie, I think he kept that, and that gives it that whole period look and feel. So that's kind of nice too. I had done 1920, and I remember Vikram Bhatt had also said that then, and now Prashant said it now. So I think to get that period feel, body language is something that's a very major.
So did you watch this film with your audience?
I haven't watched the film, but yesterday, last night we went to a multiplex, and usually like a single screen you would have like a lot of people shouting and all, but we went to a multiplex at 12 in the night, and it was house full.
Wow.
And I think that's very exciting, yeah, to have a multiplex being house full in the night show. So we went in the interval and all, and we disrupted the place. We climbed up on some bar thing and said hello to everyone. And yeah, it's really nice. No, I mean, you're making films for the audience, so if people like it, it's only a great thing. You feel really happy that.
Now, how is it working with Prashant Verma?
Nice. He's very serious man. Is he there? If he's there, I will say very bad things about him.
Okay, one version say, imagine that he is here and say, and
I have been told, I have been paid to say that he is a cute director of Telugu. They have paid me for this movie only to say that.
Oh, that's a paid promotion which you have
It's a
posted on
paid
Instagram.
promotion. I have been paid to say that Prashant Verma is a cute director. He's told me to tell all girls this. So all the girls watching this, I have been told to say this. He is the cutest director of Telugu. This is not my endorsement. I've been paid to say. How when actors endorse products, this is just paid to say this. I was not paid for the movie. I was paid only to say this.
Okay, now the real version.
The real version is this only. I never lie.
This is a paid endorsement. No?
Acha, the real version of what he is. No, everyone knows good stuff about him, yeah? I should tell people this is the stuff you don't know. Good stuff you know, he's an intelligent guy.
Yes.
He's very forward thinking, he knows
This
his
is
stuff.
Ada Ki Ada, so come on.
Yeah, so the true stuff you already know, he's very talented. He made Awe and everyone really liked it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think like this is a totally different genre from Awe. So he's proved that he can do like that and this. So as a director, it's nice. He has range and he's able to entertain the audience, barring what genre he picks. So,
So how did you land in this film?
so they offered me the role, and then my dates worked out.
How did the offer came to you?
Like how offers come, yeah, they were considering girls for the role, and they wanted someone who's not been part of a period film in Telugu, done a role like this. Also, like look-wise, they wanted to present someone new because again, it's a period film, so I've not done like a sari-clad Telugu Ammai before. I've done mostly like Heart Attack, which was I don't know what look, like a bohemian look with bandanas that people have not done, and Shanam was again like a college romance, and then the present portion. So that I'm seeing the films that registered in people's minds as what I've done. Otherwise, yeah, I've not done something like this. So yeah.
These days you're not much seen in Telugu movies. What is the reason?
So for me, when I'm picking a movie, I can't now think of language and this thing. I can't also be in two places at the same time, which I would like to, but it's not possible. So now in Hindi, I'm doing Commando 3, where I play a Telugu girl, like I did in Commando 2, Bhavna Reddy. So that's for all my Telugu audience as well, and they really liked me in 2, thankfully. So they've repeated me in the sequel, in the third part also. So I'm happy to be part of a franchise film, where usually in a franchise they replace the girl. So I'm happy to be continuing with the franchise, and Yeah, Telugu girl in that, so that's counted like a Telugu movie only now. It'll be dubbed also. There's Bypass Road with Neil. That will also be dubbed or released in Telugu. I think our Telugu audience also watches Hindi movies. So guys, please don't think that I'm not doing Telugu movies. All the movies I do are for everyone. There's this other film called Man to Man that I'm doing where I play a man. It's a romantic comedy. This boy falls in love with a girl and then he gets to know she's a man.
Yeah.
So I'm playing a boy. There's also my debut web series. We just shot for it in Mauritius. Mo is the short film I did that released. So that got really good feedback. And after that, I did 2 more short films which will be out soon. But there's this web series that I've done called The Holiday. It's going to be out on, I don't know if I'm supposed to say the date. I don't know when this interview is out. July 13th, if I'm allowed to say.
Yay.
So, yeah, we just shot for it in Mauritius and it's about this girl who goes on her bachelorette, which she's getting married. Her fiance goes on his bachelor's trip, so she goes on a bachelorette, but she doesn't have any girlfriends. So she goes with 3 of her best guy friends, like her childhood best friends. They happen to be boys. So it's about, yeah, that's quite exciting. You can imagine
very nice.
1 girl and 3 boys.
Yeah.
So I think people will enjoy watching that as well. That character is more like, I mean, what I am in real life. I mean, Kalki isn't, of course, it's a period film and all. But this I identified with a lot. So I'm more me. It's more like how I talk now. It's my character is very similar. And I've not done something like that surprisingly. All the films I've picked up in very serious roles.
Yeah.
So this holiday is quite exciting. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I've told you every project. Yeah.
Yeah, oh wow, nice, congratulations.
Thank you.
And talking about the man, heard that you are not that happy with the script.
Which man?
The where a boy falls in love
Man
with a
to
girl.
Man. I love the script. I think it's the best script
There
I've
are
done.
few some changes
said?
or there
We
were
finished
rumors
shooting the
now.
film.
Oh, okay.
The film was a start to finish schedule. I've dubbed for the film also.
Oh, nice.
It's in post production right now. I'm very excited about the film.
In the
No, I
script
love
stage also,
that.
this never happened. Only
Never
just
happened. We
rumors came
never
out.
had any script. I've never heard this rumor actually. Never. Abhi narrated the script to me, and I have to say he's exactly done the film exactly as the script.
Wow.
Like it's exactly like that. Like the scene, I can't tell you what scene, but the like our dialogues are also exactly the same. It's a film that we did. He wanted to take like long takes, so we did workshops before it, and I think it was one of the most breezy, enjoyable films I've done. I had so much fun doing it. It's a tough role to do, also because like in the beginning portions they wanted me to look really pretty, and you're not supposed to guess that I'm gonna be a guy. The guy is not supposed to guess that I'm a guy.
Okay.
So I had to almost be more feminine than I am in real life, and I sort of realized that I'm not as feminine as I thought in my body language and all.
Yeah.
Like so stuff like that. No, but I think it's one of the best scripts I've done. I'm quite excited for people to watch it.
Okay. All the rumors ruled out.
Yeah, I don't know, but rumors are, no.
So which one is your favorite film in Telugu which you have done?
I think Heart Attack, because also I think the audience reaction to Heart Attack, of course, Heart Attack and Shanam, it's a difficult call, but I'm going to pick Heart Attack because it's my first film here. Also, now because Heart Attack has set a benchmark, anything I do is not going to be good enough for people here, which is great. But again, like like Heart Attack, I was there in almost every scene. I was there, and there was a graph. I did comedy with Brahmanandam sir. I romanced Nitin. I had emotional scenes. There were drama scenes. There were scenes with the villain where I'm standing up for myself. There were scenes where I'm a damsel in distress. There was everything in that movie. So now anything I do, especially in Telugu, I think people are like, no, like, you should, like, if you anyone could do this. So basically they wait for, if you're taking Adarsh Sharma, like, do something.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think Man to Man, which will release in Telugu as well. I think people will be very happy with that. I play a hero in that because I'm a man.
Yeah. Okay. So generally, all your films after they get released. So what kind of reactions you receive from your parents and family members?
My granny is my biggest fan, so even if I look horrible, like in a trailer, promo, photograph, anything, she will say I am the prettiest, best actress there ever was. My mom is very honest, so I show her stuff, and I'm very critical about things, like very, very, very critical. My team is really nice, who I work with, so they are also very honest with me. Like a lot of times, I'm like, is this good or bad? And they're not people who tell me that, yeah, it's very good. They'd also be like really honest. So, yeah, I try to surround myself. My friends and family are pretty honest. If it's bad, they've told me like this is horrible, or like why would you do this, or you look so bad here. They would Tell me that.
Which was that one
I
film?
don't want to share. I think people will. You can come to your own conclusions of. Mostly, it's like a film choice. When you sign a film, sometimes you think it's something, and then it turns out to be something else. So stuff like that also. So then they know. Being in movies is tough. Yeah, you don't know because sometimes you do a film and then you think it's thank you, and then you think it's going to be something, and like it's no, not that. So then things like that.
So have your family watched Kalki?
They haven't. I haven't watched it either, but it's running in Bombay as well. We found out theatre timings and everything. My friends want to watch it also, so they told me come back. But I'm shooting for the next 5 days, so I don't know when and how. But I've not seen the film either, so we need to all sit down and watch.
Apart from your role and your character in this film, which other actress you like the most in the film? Is it
I need to
Pooja
watch
Punanda?
Kalki to comment on anyone's performance.
Yeah,
I think.
true that. Yeah.
Yeah, but I really need to see it. I saw my song and like a couple of scenes at Prasad Labs. These guys showed me like on the big screen, and it looks
When are
really
you going
nice.
to watch it?
I don't know, but soon. I need to watch it. Yeah, it's my movie.
Yeah. So, what is your take on special songs like the one we have in Kalki?
Like the Horn
Horn
Okay
Okay
song.
Please.
Yeah, I think why not? I'm not against any special songs. I think movies are made for entertainment. Finally, at the end of the day, people buy their tickets to come and watch an entertaining thing. An entertaining thing could be serious. It could be like horror is also entertainment. It could be something that's really sad. That's also entertainment. It could be something that's joyful, or it could be a song. So yeah, I'm all for have songs and movies. Yeah,
Okay,
people like to watch song and dances. Going to watch something larger than life, you paid for a ticket, so if people want to watch it, yeah, why not?
If some special song will be offered to you, will you be?
Actually, I have gotten a lot of offers of special songs, but I just thought right now in Telugu I shouldn't because also I'm not doing like 5 films in Telugu currently, right? I'm doing like 1 and then I'm doing 4 Hindi and then I'm doing 1. So in the middle of that, I don't want to confuse people and suddenly do a song. But again, if something that I thought I should really do comes up, I might. But right now, I think the audience would be very irritated if I did.
Okay.
I think people want me to like do very meaty roles, and if it's anything less than that, they get irked. So I don't want to piss off the audience. So.
Okay. So, what if such kind of offer comes from Bollywood?
Anywhere, I think currently, I don't think my audience is the same, yeah, whether they are north, south, or anything. Doing a music video is different, but being part of a film and just a song, again, I love songs and everything, it's great. It depends again. Now, I might say no today, but tomorrow something so amazing would come up. Who would know? Even when I started, like when I wanted to be an actor, I didn't think my first movie would be a horror movie. I didn't even really watch horror movies. But when I got the offer, I was like, I have to debut with this. So I think never say never. But I can speak right now. As of today, I don't think I should right now, but you never know.
So, you have been seen very, very active in social media.
Yes.
But this yoga day, you did not promote it on Twitter or Instagram. Why?
I did. I put a post. You didn't see. I put like a swipe right. I put like 10 videos in one post because I didn't know what to put.
On
So I put,
Twitter, you did not.
Listen. Okay, maybe. It's very difficult to do like 5 things, and when I'm shooting, I like to keep my phone away because then I'm learning dialogues or like preparing for a scene. So I must have been shooting that day, and then I must have done this in the lunch break or something while eating food, and then after that kept the phone away and must have been uploading, get really irritated, lock the phone and kept it away.
Okay.
And then Facebook and Twitter I must have forgotten to put. Yeah, but I put something on Instagram actually.
Yeah, that post I've seen on Instagram.
So then, so I feel people are following Twitter are on Instagram also, so
Yeah.
they'll see it.
So, what is your take on casting couch?
I don't think anyone should have any take on it. I'm not taking that. I don't think anyone should take it. I mean, unless, no, casting couch, ouch.
No.
Yeah, no. For me, no. I don't think for any girl, and I think after this Me Too thing, I don't think any boy also wants to
Yes,
ask any girl.
definitely
So
yes, yeah.
it's a very good thing. I mean, for people who want to do whatever they want, they can. But I think to keep someone in a vulnerable position and tell them to do something in return for something else is a little shady. This is my opinion of it, but those who want to, I guess.
Who is your favorite hero in Telugu?
Well, now since I've done Kalki and we're promoting it, Dr. Rajasekhar, of course.
Okay, who is the cutest in Tollywood?
The cutest.
Apart from
hero.
Prashant Verma.
He's director, no? Huh. That's everyone's nice looking, yeah. Everyone is cute.
Who is the hottest?
All cute, hot. Everyone has 6 and all also now. Cute, hot, most stylish. और क्या adjectives हैं?
Smart.
Smart.
Handsome.
All very handsome. Oof. Too handsome.
In Bollywood also you'll say the same, I guess.
Yeah, I think I watch movies and then I see characters in a movie and then I'm like, this person is so amazing because I like their role in the movie. So for an actor, it's very difficult to judge woman or man. I know a lot of times like people see someone in movies and we are so different from what we are in movies than in real life. Sometimes almost disappointing when you meet someone who you think is so amazing in a film and then you're like, in real life, this person is so horrible. Yeah. And I don't mean this from a looks point of view. I mean it from like 100 other things.
So one such actor which you have faced.
I'm never going to say this on camera. Never. But there have been like 2-3 who I thought like, oh wow, and then I met them in person and I was like really disappointed with like the person that they are.
What turns you off in a person?
What turns me on, I'll tell you first, is like I really like, of course, happy people. Like the first thing I notice in a guy probably is how much he's smiling. Not the kind of smile, not his dental, not the teeth formation, not that. But I notice how much he's smiling. It's a very big turn on for me when someone's happy and smiling. I also notice how that person treats other people who can't do anything for them. Not people who can do, like people who can't do anything for him or people who work for him. If he treats them well, that's a very big turn on for me. So when I see someone treating people badly or like talking down to people, I'm very put off. Then I'm like, very turned off. Yeah, so I think that's a very big turn off.
Okay.
People who like animals are a turn on for me. People who don't are, that cannot happen only. I can't.
Talking about animals, you like cats a lot.
I like all animals.
Oh.
all.
But Radha is special.
Radha is my daughter, she's not a cat. And she's going to debut soon, by the way. She signed a film and everything.
Yeah.
You can't see this is actually happening. You're laughing now, this is actually happening. No one's believing me, this is actually happening.
People who don't know who Radha is, they will be like,
People who don't know Radha will go to my Instagram and figure out. She's all over it. She has her own account as well. And she's making her debut very soon. She's going to be one of the most popular star
Radha
kids.
ki Ada?
Radha ki Ada. Ada ki Radha.
Radha ki Radha, yeah. Okay, so talking about Radha, please talk about nepotism also.
I think it's cool, yeah. Like I'm promoting her, that's nepotism only. So I'm all for it. I love nepotism. And my daughter's going to be a very big star. She's very talented also.
Look how seriously you are saying this.
But she's very talented.
Yeah.
Imagine she's got her first movie on her base, like on the basis of her talent. Yeah. I didn't do anything about it. So no, when you watch it also, I mean, I know what she's doing. You'll notice she's got it on her own basis of her talent and her expressions and like So I'm
she
quite
only
excited.
got one expression.
Huh? Is what you say. That one expression conveys so many expressions you don't think. She has multiple expressions, okay? My daughter is very talented.
Okay. So, all your posts on Instagram are very, very wacky. What kind of comments do you get?
I leave all the comments that I get there. I don't usually delete even the bad comments. I think it's nice to keep good and bad. I don't get too much hate though. I'm quite fortunate. I get a lot of love for all the crazy stuff I do, which makes me, which encourages me to do more crazy stuff because I feel like if you're encouraging my madness, then up it. There you go. It's nice. No, I feel more brave because I'm very fortunate to have a huge fan following of people who let me do what I want to do.
Do you remember any wackiest comment on your post?
All the comments are as crazy as the posts are. But like I said, no, people have accepted, like who has had a Radha before, who people have accepted like this.
Yeah.
So, I'm very lucky, anything I do, people are like, she's doing it, we like it. So yeah, the comments are quite crazy also.
Yeah.
Which is, I think Instagram and social media is for that, right? It's for entertainment.
Yeah.
Like just, it's a minute of your time. So whether it's a dance video where you're actually putting out a talent or it's just a time pass video of like what you are in real life, because people see you on screen and think that's what you are. It's not.
Yeah.
I'm someone else in real life. So I think let me put out and entertain you. I get a lot of comments saying you made my day, you put a smile on my face. I was a little
Yeah.
depressed today and I watched your video and I was laughing. That's what I want.
One of them.
Really? That's sweet. I feel very happy when people say that, because that's all I want. I don't want you to say she's an extremely talented actress in that one. That 1 minute is not for you to say that. It's just for you to smile.
I to
and
literally stalk your profile.
I'm very happy when people tell me they stalk. I also stalk a lot of people. So when people tell me they stalk me, it's a good thing. It's for your entertainment only, Instagram and stuff, for nothing else. So.
So you are one crazy and one wacky and quirky person.
Thank you.
So in real. So you have never played such character, I guess.
That's what I'm saying. No, I also, but now I come from like no film background, so I have to pick from what I get. Though I've been lucky to get like really good roles. I'm not saying I didn't. Like 1920 and all were wow roles,
Yeah.
but I'm not that Thakurayan of the Haveli. Heart Attack also was quite serious. Or she's like very, that Thehrav is there. Kalki is also not like how I am. Kshanam is definitely not what like what I am. I think now this holiday will be like how I am in real life. That's the first time I'm playing someone very similar. Even Commando, Bhavna Reddy is crazy and quirky, but that's another crazy and quirky, not my crazy, not how I am. She's separate crazy quirky, and then so I've not got to play. Someone should see, and be like, let's cast her. They did in this holiday, so I think people who like me on like Instagram and stuff will really like that.
All the comedians generally say the comedy timing is very important, and it is
Yeah.
the toughest part in a film also. So if you get a chance to play a comic character, comedy role, how will you
I am
take it?
in Commando 3. Mine is the funny. Like I'm doing all the funniness.
the comedy.
Totally. In 2 also I did, right? She was really funny, and even in the serious situation she used to be really funny. Even now, like Bhavna Reddy has her dry sarcastic sense of humor. So even when like situations are crumbling and falling, or they're going to go for a fight and they might die because they're fighting like, I mean, it's a serious fight that's going to happen. She'll like crack a joke before that, but not like crack a joke like, haha, it's funny. She'll like dryly just be like, she has a very sarcastic, funny sense of humor. So it's nice. I think comedy is nice. I did a little comedy in Heart Attack also with Brahmanandam sir, that whole Titanic scene and all. I enjoy doing comedy. That comes, I don't know, I really have fun doing it. So I would love to do a...
Hi India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews.
Latest updates,
Subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.